Welcome to this enabling a conducive environment for e-commerce. Welcome to Module 4 of Enabling a Conducive Environment for E-commerce. Module 4, Technologies and Strategies in E-commerce Digital Technology, Approaches and Legal Framework. The objectives of the module are that you should, at the end of this module, have an appreciation and understanding of digital technology strategies and the various laws that exist in the recent past for you to conduct your business. We will also continue with the business plan as well. Let's just take a review first. What is digital technology? Review this illustration. It covers a vast array of digital technologies. Many will be used by you to deliver your services. What will give you the key advantage? Many will give you competitive advantage. How will you leverage this technology to give you a head start in the competitive world? Many will give you access to markets that you would not have without the use of technology. Many will give you differentiators amongst your competition. Discuss about which ones would give you the best for your business and how will you leverage the overall technologies for your e-business strategy. Let's just refresh ourselves with the examples of e-commerce. This demonstrates the various e-commerce modes that you may wish to consider for your organization and the products you are selling. Which e-commerce approach would you take? Decide on this very early on so that digital infrastructure will be developed based on this approach. You can have a combination of any of these approaches. If you have a multi-channel and multi-product, as well as a multi-customer base that you may wish to consider. What will you serve to your customers? What products and services will you be offering on your e-commerce platform? How will you gain competitive advantage using digital technologies? What value will you gain from using digital technologies? Who do you need to interact with during the e-commerce process? What subcontractors do you need to bring to the table to develop your overall digital strategy? You may wish to have additional capabilities to complete your skill set. Map your business against this framework as part of your venture plan, so you know what you need to and what gaps are in the business. What digital business models are there? Review these digital models. Which ones match your organization? Which type is your business in? How does some of these businesses provide you with useful information and insights for your own business development? If not, which is closest that you can learn from? Research these and find how they have grown their businesses to become multi-million global organizations. Does your organization have similar ambitions? If so, how will you get there? What technologies do you need to use and what strategies do you need? Review and map your business across these axes as part of your business plan. Include these as examples of successful businesses that you can use as part of your business development. E-business models and strategies. What kind of e-business are you? It is important to note, as this type of business will determine what and how you implement when it comes to the digital technologies. Take a look at this illustration and map your own business from a technology requirements perspective. This illustration will give you a great idea of the capabilities and the gaps in your technology stack. Once you have identified the gaps, identify what digital technologies you will need as part of the services you need to provide. Map these in your business plan so you're very clear of the gaps and strategies you need in your e-commerce strategy. You may wish to consider different phases, different markets, and also different customer segments to serve using the technologies in this illustration. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is an important aspect of any digital or e-commerce business, as it allows you to identify which electronic approach you need for your business. What tools and approaches will you use to reach the customers? The tools will enable you to optimize the correct approach and strategies you need to employ to ensure optimum market approaches. How will you ensure you make customers aware and buy your services in an important aspect of digital marketing strategies. Once you have decided on the products and services, you can then identify the most appropriate channel to market and get your information to the client base. Strategies for marketing your tech business. Review and identify the most appropriate e-commerce marketing approach for your organization from this illustration. What works for you and your organization based on your products and services. Establish the pros and cons of each one and the ones which are most appropriate one for you. Establish the approach that matches your organizational needs and considers the cost of marketing as well as the approaches. Ensure you include this in the business plan so that you can plan and price the cost of marketing. What is people going to buy from you and how? Identify the most appropriate business model that suits your organization and how will you obtain revenue from your e-commerce strategy? What are the core values and competencies that you need to compete in the global marketplace? How will people buy from you? Discuss and include this in your business plan. What will you generate from a revenue point of view? And what will your profit be from that particular channel? These are questions that will help you better manage and decide your marketing and e-commerce strategy. Data to help your business. Ensure you explore how data and analytics can help your business grow. Data and analytics is now becoming an important aspect of the future technology-based business. The knowledge you will gain from the data and the insights will be invaluable to source of intelligence about the performance of your business. Review the digital business below. Discuss how they can use data in their digital strategy to help their businesses grow. What sort of data do these businesses collect and how do you think they would use these data sets? Ensure you add a component in the business plan on data and analytics so you can gain valuable insights of the customer journey. Data and business awareness is also very important. This is an important aspect of the modern business. Ponder over this aspect of the business you are working on. This may have an impact on the growth of the business. Research how you can use data to increase your e-commerce revenue.